Hello everyone, welcome back. Today I am going to show you how to master email segmentation in Mailchimp. Segmentation helps you to send more targeted and effective email campaign. So let's dive in. First, let's talk about what is email segmentation. Email segmentation is dividing your email list into a smaller targeted group based on a specific criteria. This allows you to send more relevant content, improving open rates, click-through rates, and overall engagement. For example, targeting cat owners with cat products and dog owners with dog products boost engagement and sales. Email segmentation benefits. The first one is increased engagement. Subscribers are most likely to engage with content that is relevant to their interest. The next one is reduce unsubscriber. By sending targeted content, you're less likely to annoy your subscriber with irrelevant emails. Next one is improve delivery. Targeted emails are less likely to be marked as spam, ensuring your message reach to the people inbox. The most important one is customer experience. Provide content that match your subscriber interest, improving their overall satisfaction. So the final one is better ROI. More relevant emails lead to higher conversion, which means a better return on your investment. Now let's get into the practical part. I will show you how to set up segment in Mailchimp. At this moment I am on a client account. So first of all we need to click here all contacts. To create new segment, click on the create segment. Here you can choose a variety of condition to define your segment. For example, you can choose segment based on location. I just write here London. So predict location is within 25 miles of London. So if I click here validate location, if on our existing database, if someone is there on that location, we can find them. So if I click here preview segment, you can see two people are there. So we can save it. If we save this, we can save it with a name for using later email campaign. I am not save it. I am going to show you more deep. So suppose we need to find out whoever unsubscribed from us previously. For that you need to click here again create new segment. You need to choose here email subscription status. If we need to only see whoever unsubscribed, so if I click here now preview segment, you can see whoever unsubscribed from on our database. We can simply save it as a unsubscribe. I just save it so that we can use it later. So now we are going to find out whoever purchased from us previously more than 2 times. So how you can find them? Again you need to came down here total number of orders. We need to choose this one so we can is greater than 2. So if I put here preview segment, you can see so 222 people are purchased from us more than 2 products. So that is their data. So in later so that we can use it, we can simply save it using purchase more than 2 products. This way you can enter their name. Now we want to see suppose how many people open our previous email campaign. So how we can find it out? Again we need to click here create new segment. If you scroll down here, you need to choose this option email interaction. So whoever open our any of last 10 email we sent, whoever open, we can segment them. If you look here now, their data will be showing here how many people open. So it's showing 2300 331 contacts are often last 10 emails from us, so their data is there. So you can also save it. I am not save it because of it's not needed at this moment, that's why. So I am showing you this way. Condition wise you can set up segment here. I am showing you another one. Suppose whoever sign up with pop-up prom, if you want to showing, if you choose this option and if you click here preview, so basically he did not use Mailchimp pop-up prom, that's why it's showing 0 contact. So we just going to update. So if we choose here Mailchimp for commerce, you can see, so if you look here 1002 contacts are coming from Mailchimp for WooCommerce. So that is the thing. So I hope you understand. This way you can create segment your own way. So create segment, you can choose if someone have birthday in January month, you can also find them this way. So this on January month there is no data, if have data it will be showing. So how you can find them segment, if you click here segment, you can see here which segment you created, you will be see them here. That is the thing. So now I am going to showing you one important thing. Whoever purchased from us last 1 years, we want to see their data. So for that we need to click here create segment. We need to choose here purchase activity, sorry not this one, purchase date within last 365. Whoever purchases in the last 365 we can find out them. For that if we click here preview segment, we can see their data. So last 365 days 317 people are purchased from us. That is the data. So we can just click here. Now we can save a name. I just put a name. Now if you want to see whoever not purchased last 365 days, how you can find them. For that again it's also simple. You need to click on create segment, not within 365. So 4876 contacts are not purchased on the last 365 days. That's it. You know how to create and use segments in Mailchimp. If you found this tutorial helpful, don't forget to subscribe and share. If you have any question, feel free to ask in the comment section. Thanks for watching and I will see you in the next video soon.